We start with one over. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this down move, we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break 0.194 or not. All right. That's why we mentioned if you get any trade set up for buy, we will take it. And one of the option was to put our entry at 0.205. And we mentioned if you want to look for trade by having entry at 0.205, we want the price break as a sharp move. And the price, if it's tagged, which is not moving our direction, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. Anyway, the first time the price tag, if anyone didn't get a take of the trade, they had the second opportunity, even third opportunity to take out the trade in the at least break even. And no one see what's the next. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and the way that is moving is really corrective. All right. And we mentioned if there is a breakout of 0.19, 0.19, we can expect the price to drop somewhere around 16 and 15. Anyway, we mentioned we are not really interested to look for sell. The only thing is if we get any trade set up for buy, this is what we're looking for. But based on the daily chart, we don't see any reversal point. When I say the reversal, I'm referring to the divergence. But if we move to forward chart, we see we have a divergence even. If you refer to my last analysis, discuss about that. This is what we're looking for. That's mean if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take it. But the only things I need to highlight here, we need to be quite careful. How about if this one turned to a flat in relative to this for one more drop as a sharp? If we get one more drop as a sharp, any reversal, I will take it. All right. And we should know that we can expect the price to continue to drop as a corrective move, as extension. All right. It doesn't matter. Any reversal, we take the trade. This is the only way we can look for buy. Okay. Because one thing I need to highlight here, when we see this kind of the corrective move, even maybe we get a lot of the opportunity for buy, we take the trade and it doesn't move in our direction. This is where we have to start to manage. If it's not moving, we take out the trade. But we try to take all the opportunity, the trade setup for buy, because if it's moved, it can move really sharp, right? At least we are in the trade. If there is the price start to reverse. That's why any trade setup for buy, for me, I will take it. And right now, what's the next? Sell, we are not really interested. Can we consider this one as a flat? If this is the flat, the next if it wants to look for buy, the only way is to put our entry at somewhere around 0.2065 or 0.206. And what we want is the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag is not moving, we take with the trade, and we need to be quite careful. How about if the price tag and drop? And this is what we discuss. Then this is where the traders, they need to make a decision to look for if they want to get the trade in this way. It's not a really good opportunity to look for buy, but this is the only way we can look for buy. All right. And if the prices start to drop from here, just let it go. If the price tag 0.194, there was no breakout, the next reversal as a short move flag, we take it, the trade. Anyway, we don't have a really good trade setup to look for buy. If anyone wants to look for buy, this is the only way, or they put their entry somewhere around 0.2121 1 cent. In case because as I mentioned, we are expecting to get a reversal when we cannot confirm. But if it's moved, the next move can be quite really sharp. Whether it's quite sharp or really sharp, as I say, we are expecting to see the reversal. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We don't see really good trade setup at this point. This is the only way we can look for the next trade in case we see the reversal as a sharp move. But the best trade setup if we see the reversal as a sharp move flag, or at least similar to what we get here. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.